Hello and welcome to another MCO update on SUI. The SUI chart, I believe could be in a topping situation there, but we have no evidence yet that a top is in. So I have very clearly outlined here on the chart the support zone, which hasn't changed in the last few days. So over the weekend, it's remained unchanged between $3.65 and $3.88. So that support zone, remains intact. This is the zone above which the price is currently dancing around, just up and down a little bit in a choppy channel. So slightly upward sloping trend here. And it formed even a marginally higher high today at around $4.30. And so far, it's been quite a good day for cryptos. I mean, overall, quite green. There's a little bit of selling pressure that's come in the last 1 hour or so after the US stock market opened, because it gapped up and then, it's coming down a bit, but nothing major, right? We're still overall in a broader range and the market is still holding above this Fibonacci support area. And you can see how relevant it is. So we could still easily get another high as long as we're holding above it. So as I said, $3.65 needs to be broken to the downside to indicate that a top is in, some kind of a top. Then we can start to focus on the wave 2 support area. Hold on. Which isn't on the chart yet, but we can put it onto the chart together. But just please note that until we really have a confirmed top, this support area will also move up with the price. What I'm saying is the minimum requirements for all 5 waves are fulfilled. Even on the nano level, I would say the move up looks technically complete. But whenever we're dealing with like a 4-5 structure or something, things can get quite messy. So I'm not in the position to be able to confirm a top, okay? All I'm saying is the risk has increased. Been telling you that over the last couple of days. Not much happened since then, so the message is still the same. But let's add a support area for circle wave 2 to the chart. We measure the entire distance of wave 1. So that is starting from the April low, which formed around $1.71, all the way up to the top that formed around $4.26. So we measure that. And then this would be the overall zone here that we are watching, right? It's between $2.09 and $3.03. This is the larger degree Fibonacci support zone. And this would be relevant. Oftentimes, we say that a wave 2 should finish in the region of a wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. Well, that is actually quite shallow, that would be. So this is only a guideline. It's not a rule. So I would prefer if the market could reach $3.03 to $2.72. But please note, when the market is really bullish, sometimes pullbacks are weak and shallow. So we have to pay close attention to Bitcoin as well. But also in the same, in the same situation, like SUI hasn't confirmed the top yet, also Bitcoin hasn't confirmed the top yet. So therefore, while it's worth being mindful that a pullback could start, further upside extensions cannot be ruled out at this point, and pullbacks so far have remained corrective in nature. So yesterday someone asked me that, hey, but on SUI I can see a 5-wave move down. Isn't that enough to confirm a top? And I said no, because you have to consider context. So if we go to the 30-minute chart, you see that we had a 3-wave move down and a 3-wave move up. So the message was this could have been a B wave and then a C wave decline in 5 waves. ABC flat structure in wave 4, and then this wave 5, maybe, but it also looks somehow like a 3-wave move, so I'm not entirely sure yet. Certainly no confirmed top, so without that clear break below support, impossible to say. It's just that these choppy structures oftentimes indicate that the trend is getting exhausted. But we've seen it before where this is just basically a pause in the uptrend, okay? So risk is high, essentially support still holding. And if we get another high, which I will not rule out at this point, $4.63 will be the next target. The price is currently basically dancing between support and this $4.20 to $4.30 target area, which we talked about before. So the situation, if we really look at it, hasn't changed since Thursday. So that's the update on SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in additional updates, deeper analysis, stocks updates, also behind the scenes content, check out our MCO Global channel. You'll find a link in the description. It's our main channel that we will build on further. So yeah, check it out. And I wish you a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.